right, I'm gonna add 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar. It's gotta be sharp. I also shredded this myself because I'm convinced that when you shred it yourself, shredded cheese is better because it doesn't have all those like cakey things on it to keep it from sticking together. So 2 cups. I'm also gonna add in 8 ounces of cubed cream cheese that has been sitting out so it's room temperature. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of mayo. I'm gonna use Duke's because I think Duke's is best. But you know, it's a preference thing. I am gonna actually measure this because I'm not trying to get it wrong. Yeah, that's about a 1/2 cup. I'm gonna add a 4-ounce little jar of diced pimentos. I'm gonna drain it. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, which, you know, I said I'm gonna measure, but I'm not gonna measure these things because why not? And a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. And a little bit of black pepper. It does call for a jalapeno pepper. I don't have that. So I am gonna add just a little bit of just a regular like vinegar based hot sauce. Just a little, not like a lot. And I'm gonna mix it all together. All right, now that I got it all mixed up, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit so the flavors, whoa, hello. So the flavors kind of blend together, but that's it. It's super easy, super fast. And we'll have Jonathan give this a try a little bit later. But I can tell you already, I like it. I don't know if he's gonna like it. He likes pimento cheese spread, so it's a toss-up really with him, but I think it's really good. So I'm gonna let this sit and we'll be back in a little while. What?
Well, you're saying it's not as good as the store. I think it's better than the store.
No, I said it tastes different than the store.
Oh.
I feel like it does. I feel like it's not sweet like the store. Like, honestly, I really like it a lot.
They probably use a lot less pimento.
Yeah, I used the whole 4-ounce jar because that's what it said.
I will say, I'm sure it's that pepper. It's very like spicy.
Oh, I put a little hot sauce in it.
You know, also is almost more like a horseradish.
I also added, I added a little bit of ground mustard. Like dry mustard.
Was that a 4-5?
I don't know. Here, I'll put the camera down. Everyone stare at Jonathan's hand. Yeah, stare at that.
No, it just kind of tastes like...
Yeah, spoiler, I didn't actually show it on the camera, but I added a small bit of Worcestershire sauce and some ground mustard, and yeah.
Why do you keep it?
I didn't mean to. I just kind of... Taste it. Put some on your hand and taste it. I don't know. I don't know what that stuff actually tastes like.
No, I think it's just the pepper. It's good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. So you'll actually eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good.
I think it's just very, like, a spicy pepper. I think just try the pepper by itself.
The pimento?
Yeah. Nice finger of the food.
I mean, we're the only ones that live here. It's spicy? A little bit?
No, it's got like a horseradish flavor to it, I feel like. I
didn't add that. I'm just saying that wasn't something I added.
No.
But the pepper does?
I think the pepper does. Like, it's got certain notes. I don't know. I'd be interested to know, like, what the notes of the pepper are.
Yeah, I have no idea.
That's really good.
I've never had a pimento. I should have tasted one before I dumped the whole jar in. I should have tasted one.
And after you've kind of tasted them, but the olive's so overpowering, you don't really taste it.
Yeah, I never taste it because for the longest time I thought a pimento was just like an olive stuffed into an olive. I don't now.
No, it's really good.
It's good, so you'll actually eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you won't be in the next video because I'm going to do stuffed mushrooms. And that is like your personal... Jonathan would rather do a lot of things than eat a mushroom.
It's fine fish. I eat mushrooms or fish. That's depending on the fish.
So yeah, he won't be in the next video. It'll just be me. He probably won't even be in the room. Alright. He'll see you eventually. So will Calvin. Okay, bye!